Differential equation are of two types: linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. What is identification of linear differential equation? There are some points we have to remember. First point is powers of each differential coefficient. Powers of each differential coefficient and dependent variable should be 1. Power of each differential coefficient and dependent variable should be 1. Second condition is there is no term involving the product of dependent variable and its derivative and third condition is no function of dependent variable or its differential coefficient is present. This is third condition. And if we talk about the non-linear differential equation, so simple equation which is not linear is non-linear equation, right? Now consider an example. Example is d square y upon dx square plus y plus dy over dx plus y equals to 6. There is no product between, there is no this type of element, no this type of element, no this type of element. Okay, so it is a linear differential equation. If there is any product, any square, any y into dy over dx, then it said to be non-linear differential equation. Now move to the next topic, which is solution of differential equation. What is the solution of differential equation? Solution of differential equation is relation between the variables not involving the differential coefficients. For example, y is equals to a cos x plus b sin x. This is solution of this differential equation, right? It satisfies this differential equation. If we put value of y and d square y upon dx square here, it becomes equals to 0. It satisfies this equation, so it is the solution of this equation. There are the three types of solutions. First is general solution, second is particular solution, and third is singular solution. What is general solution? General solution is called when solution contains as many as arbitrary constants as order of differential equation which contains as many as arbitrary constants as the order of differential equation is called general solution. For example, this example is example of general solution. Order is 2 and arbitrary constants are also 2. If we talk about the particular solution is the solution which is obtained by giving particular value to the arbitrary constant. Right, like for example, y is equals to 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is a solution of this d square y upon dx square plus y equals to 0. This is particular value is given to the arbitrary constant, so it is the particular solution. In the case of singular solution, there is no arbitrary constant which cannot be obtained by giving particular values. Means no arbitrary constant which is obtained by particular value. Right, now move towards the MCQs. First MCQ is the solution which is derived from complete primitive. One concept is left here, that general solution is also called complete integral or complete primitive, and particular solution is also called particular solution or particular integral or particular